Hey, welcome back to the channel. So here I have this small rendering that I did for this kitchen. It's not a big kitchen, it's a small one, but it's very nice once we're done with it. So as you can see, here's the floor plan. I already did all the layout, how it's gonna go. So let me go to this right here. As you can see, I have added a pantry closet, and the cabinets were here were actually 30-inch cabinets, so we're gonna go all the way to the ceiling. And we're gonna add backsplash like this, floating shelves, and pretty much the footprint stayed the same, but we added a Lazy Susan and a corner cabinet. And this will give the homeowner a visual of how it looks once we have it done and ready to go. So it kind of gives them a very good visual. So once I'm done with this, I just go ahead and send them to them, make sure they approve it. Once it's done, we're ready to roll. All right guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all in the next one.